What's up, guys? Today I have a pair of Nike Air Max 90s in a suede colorway. Conventional Nike outlet box, as you may have already noticed. Here's the sneakers right here. Pretty fire if you ask me. As you can see, it's suede. It's not the greatest suede. Feels pretty nice. It looks pretty cool. Bottoms are pretty clean. This footprint looks pretty good in the snow. Winter is coming. Game of Thrones reference. I like these. I like them a lot. I'm going to throw them on. They're a little bit small for me, but you'll see how they look on foot. I say the tongue is also pretty nice. It says Nike Air Max on it. Gonna have to untie these. Just give me a second here. They're not too small. They're a little small. Here they are on foot. I mean, you can't really go wrong with an Air Max 90. Most Air Max products are pretty amazing in my opinion. They look pretty fire on foot. Thanks for watching the video. And if you're interested in buying a pair of your own, maybe check them out on Amazon in the link below. Let me know what you think of them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.